Summertime is very busy for our casinos.
So the problem is with the hospitality situations, you have a lot of issues, a lot of challenges within the market space. Some of the things that we often see is dramatic seasonal spikes. So I'm from the UK. Well, I don't sound like I'm from the UK, but I live there now. But every payday we get paid monthly instead of every 2 weeks. Last Friday of every month, people are going out partying, and so they have a heck of a lot of inbound phone calls for reservations. What's very similar with casinos and events like that, you guys have seasonal offers, you have marketing events that go out. You want to talk maybe a little bit about that and how that drives contact?
Yeah, so seasonality, especially summertime, is very busy for our casinos. So several of our casinos that are in resort areas. As I mentioned, when the pandemic came back, we ended up taking an extra 40,000 calls from our Las Vegas property that they were handled on property that we were supposed to handle now. And I couldn't staff for them. So we saw spikes in volumes. I was abandoning. These were very simple type calls. These were, I just need to can you transfer me to housekeeping? Can you transfer me to, to the restaurant, to, Joe Smith, whoever, or what time is check-in? Is your pool open? Where is parking? Do you have pets? A lot of those types of questions were just very simple questions. But what it was doing is it was impacting our ability to answer the revenue-producing calls. People wanted to book reservations, and so, as I mentioned, I was abandoning 40% of those calls, and at that point, I went to my CFO and I calculated, hey, this is the potential revenue we're missing because we can't answer calls. So it was a horrible guest experience, waiting, 40-plus minutes, abandoning 40% of our calls. It was tough.